Hi, this is Sig from Typeset. In this edition of Just Start Typing, we're going to dive into the basics of using AI mode to simplify your content creation process. AI mode is there to help you create new text and expand or rewrite existing text for any project. Let's get started. You can enable AI mode anytime when you're in your editor on the left by clicking Tab or choosing AI mode from your component menu. To use AI mode on different types of content, just choose the type of content you'd like to work with from the component menu, or simply type the / key in your keyboard and then hit Tab for AI mode. AI mode can help you with titles, paragraph texts, quotes, and lists. Once you've set your text type, AI mode is ready to assist. Just enter your prompt and let it work its magic. I'll show you a few examples here. We're going to write an ebook about how to write an ebook. So we'll start over here in the editor on the left. And so first we need a title. I'll hit / title and then hit the tab key, how to write an ebook for a title suggestion. Gives us a few options. And I like that idea, so I just hit enter to choose that. And next we want to add a subtitle. Again, from the component menu, I choose the drop down, I pick subtitle, and I hit tab, steps to writing effective ebook. Enter. Again, it comes up with some subtitle suggestions. I like that one. And we now have our title page. Moving on to the next page, I want to create some basic text. This is essentially what I want it to be about. I hit tab and it is going to rewrite this short section that I have. Generally, it'll create about 2 to 3 paragraphs. Let's say I do like those, but then I ultimately decide that I don't like the second paragraph. So I'm going to ask AI mode to rewrite that section. Again, I hit tab and it brings that up. I like this one a little bit better. In going through, I think this point right here is really valuable. We're going to separate that into its own paragraph, but I want to expand on it. And so again, I hit tab to bring up AI mode and ask it to expand on this single sentence. And it comes up with 2 paragraphs. Now I have, in just a matter of a minute, 4 paragraphs to get my ebook started. Moving on, I want to create another new page. On this, I want to outline the actual steps to writing an ebook. I go to the component window and I'm looking for the lists. We have bulleted list and numbered lists. I'm going to choose a numbered list and say I want the steps to creating an effective ebook. And then I again hit tab to bring up AI mode and hit enter. And now the AI is generating the steps. It comes up with 4 steps. So we now have an outline of the different steps that we need to create an ebook. Moving on to the next page, and I think this is one of the coolest features of AI mode. I'm going to ask AI to find a quote about effective writing. I like that first one. I choose that and I'm liking this, so I think we're going to add another quote and bring up AI mode. Let's get a quote about knowing our audience. So now we have 2 quotes for this ebook. After a little bit of formatting, this is what our 4-page ebook that we created with AI looks like. For more resources, click on the Learning and Resources tab or Help and Support tab in the Typeset app or visit our YouTube page.